If you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars while creating professional and creatively awesome videos, today's video is just for you. I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that's a total game changer. This tool has some mind-blowing features that you won't believe. Excited? Let's dive right in. But before we get started, I have a special gift just for you. Don't forget to click the link below in the comments to receive it. Alright, let's not keep you waiting any longer. The AI tool I want to introduce today is Artlist.io. Artlist is a popular music licensing platform that provides high-quality, royalty-free music for creators and filmmakers. With its constantly updated features and user-friendly interface, Artlist.io is truly an indispensable tool for professional content creators. You can create high-quality videos with the support of Artlist alone, without the need to search multiple websites. Get ready to explore all the amazing features of Artlist. Let's begin with Artlist's latest and most impressive feature, VoiceOver. Based on my experience with different voiceover websites, Artlist truly stands out as a game changer. It offers a diverse library of professional voice recordings in various styles and tones, catering to a wide range of creative needs. What sets Artlist apart is the incredible flexibility it provides. You can adjust everything from reading speed to delivery style and emotional expression. Adding voiceovers to videos often poses challenges like finding the right pronunciation, tone, or language. However, with Artlist's voiceover feature, these hurdles dissolve, making the process seamless and efficient. Artlist offers more than just voices. It enriches your storytelling. Let me show you how it works. First, you select a suitable voice from their extensive library.
From the cutting edge of innovation.
In the frozen Arctic, amidst the serene beauty of sunlit.
Hey guys. So last night was a total disaster.
Simplifying your life means focusing on what truly matters and letting go of the rest.
Then, enter the text you want to generate.
Life is changing so fast that sometimes it's hard to keep up. One moment, everything seems stable and predictable, and the next, new opportunities, challenges, and experiences come rushing in.
If it doesn't fit your needs perfectly, you can easily adjust it in the settings. Here is the result I received, and you can immediately notice the clear difference.
Life is changing so fast that sometimes it's hard to keep up. One moment, everything seems stable and predictable, and the next, new opportunities, challenges, and experiences come rushing in.
Without the complexity and time-consuming recording process, you can effortlessly create videos with multiple voices in just a few clicks. Isn't that incredible? Artlist's voiceover feature not only saves you time, but also elevates the quality of your content, making it a must-have tool for any content creator. Next, let me introduce you to Artlist's music feature. If you often struggle to find the right music for your videos or simply worry about copyright issues, Artlist is the solution for you. With a library of tens of thousands of songs spanning diverse genres, Artlist can easily meet your needs. You can audition tracks until you find the perfect fit. If you find a song that's close but needs a little something extra, you can easily discover similar songs by clicking on Similar Song. Once satisfied, you can effortlessly download the highest quality version of your chosen track. In addition to its music feature, Artlist offers an equally impressive sound effects library. Essential for professional videos, these sound effects elevate viewer experience. With Artlist's extensive collection, finding the right sound effect is simple. This is the result I got when searching for the sound of a car drifting. With Artlist, you can make your video come alive. Additionally, Artlist has a feature that suggests sound effects to optimize the user experience. Let's explore another standout feature of Artlist, its footage library. For video creators, Artlist's footage feature is a goldmine of high-quality visuals that elevate projects to new heights. With a diverse and extensive collection spanning various themes, genres, and styles, Artlist caters to every creative need. Each piece of footage is carefully curated for visual appeal and production quality. ensuring it meets professional standards. You can refine your search by categories, keywords, resolution, and even frame rate, making it easy to find exactly what you need for your project. Once you've selected the perfect footage, Artlist offers seamless download options in the highest resolution available, preserving the crispness and clarity of your visuals. Lastly, there's the templates library. If you're a content creator who thrives on creativity, this feature is for you. Artlist's template feature offers a streamlined approach for enhancing your video editing process. Each template is customizable, allowing you to personalize elements such as text, transitions, and effects to match your project's specific needs and branding. To protect your channel and videos from copyright claims, provide Artlist with the names and links to your channels and videos in the clear list section. This clear approach ensures peace of mind, enabling creators to focus fully on their creative endeavors. Understanding the value Artlist adds to your creative projects, let's delve into their subscription plans. For those focusing on music and sound effects, there are two options: the Music and SFX Social Plan at $9.99 per month, ideal for social content creators, and the Music and SFX Pro Plan at $16.58 per month, suited for freelancers and client work. If you're interested in the voiceover feature, it's available for $11.99 per month. Alternatively, for access to Artlist's extensive footage and template libraries, the subscription is $29.99 per month. For comprehensive access to all features, music, sound effects, voiceovers, footage, and templates, consider the Artlist Max plan at $39.99 per month. This option provides the best value if you're considering multiple individual plans. Especially if you subscribe annually, you'll receive 2 months of usage for free, making it an even more attractive deal. Plus, Artlist has also provided exclusive discounts for my audience. Be sure to click the link below in the description to claim this special offer. That's all for today's video. I hope you found the information helpful. If there's any other content you'd like me to explore, please let me know in the comments below. Unlock your creativity today with Artlist's comprehensive suite of tools. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights. Click the link in the comments to unlock exclusive offers from Artlist.